Welcome to TravelandShiel, your ultimate guide to safety, on the breathtaking Seychelles Island.
In this comprehensive film, we present 13 essential chapters designed to ensure a secure and worry-free experience for all visitors.
From stunning beaches to local customs, from hiking trails to emergency contacts, we've got you covered. We kick off with a brief overview of what to expect in this film, providing a glimpse into the safety measures and guidelines that will help you make the most of your time in Seychelles. Beach safety and water activities. Seychelles boasts stunning beaches and crystal clear waters. In this chapter, we explore essential safety tips for swimming, snorkeling, and engaging in various water activities to ensure your enjoyment while staying safe.
Crime and terrorism. While Seychelles is known for its peaceful atmosphere, it's important to be aware of potential risks. We discuss crime prevention strategies and provide insights into the country's security measures to help you stay vigilant and secure throughout your visit. Climate.
Understanding Seychelles' unique climate is crucial for a safe and pleasant trip.
We delve into seasonal variations, weather patterns, and offer tips on how to prepare and adapt to different climatic conditions.
Rules for the use of drones.
Drone enthusiasts will appreciate this chapter, where we outline the regulations and guidelines for flying drones in Seychelles.
By adhering to these rules, you can capture stunning aerial footage while respecting the island's environment and privacy concerns.
Entry requirements. Before embarking on your journey, it's essential to be well informed about entry requirements. We provide a comprehensive overview of visa procedures, necessary documentation, and any additional guidelines to ensure a smooth entry into Seychelles.
Health precautions.
Maintaining good health during your trip is paramount.
We discuss essential health precautions, including vaccinations, medical facilities, and tips for staying healthy while exploring the island's beauty.
Local laws and customs.
Respecting local laws and customs is crucial to fostering positive interactions with the Seychellois community.
We shed light on cultural norms, traditions, and legal considerations to help you navigate Seychelles with respect and ease. Hiking trails. For nature enthusiasts, Seychelles offers an abundance of breathtaking hiking trails. We guide you through the do's and don'ts of hiking, ensuring your safety while exploring the island's natural wonders. Natural disasters. While rare, natural disasters can occur. In this chapter, we provide essential information on how to stay prepared and respond effectively in the event of an unexpected natural event, such as storms or earthquakes. Survival tips and tricks. Sometimes, unexpected situations arise. We equip you with valuable survival tips and tricks that can prove invaluable in unforeseen circumstances, ensuring your safety and well-being on the island. Traffic. Navigating Seychelles roads safely is essential for both drivers and pedestrians. We discuss local traffic regulations, road conditions, and provide tips for a smooth and secure journey. Emergency contacts. Lastly, we provide a comprehensive list of emergency contacts, including local authorities, hospitals, and other essential services. Being prepared and knowing who to reach out to in case of an emergency can make all the difference. Join us on TravelandShiel as we embark on this insightful journey through Seychelles, prioritizing your safety and offering invaluable advice for a memorable and secure visit.